Hi student, how are you? I'm so happy to greet you again. Student, actually we have finished learning about body organs and now we will learn about the new topic. Can you guess what lesson actually or what topic actually we will discuss in the new chapter? Okay, maybe if you are looking at this figure and the stuff that I prepared, then you can guess, right? If last time we have learned about the body organs, okay, then this time we will learn about environment, about animals and the habitat. As you can see here, I have prepared some animal figure, okay. Then actually we will discuss about this and how actually they get the food, okay. So actually if we are talking about the animal, okay, they are also has a relation about the habitat. Yeah, habitat actually is the place for the animals to live. Today, yeah, we're gonna discuss about the food chain. In organism, there are three levels, okay, of the food chain. The first one is the producer. Producer actually, or mostly we say plants, grass, alga. It's about the plants that produce its own food and it's get helped by the water and the sun. The second is consumer, but in consumer actually classify into four. The first consumer, the second consumer, the third consumer and the quaternary consumer. The first consumer actually is the animal that eat plants or we call herbivore. The second consumer we call carnivore, the animals that eat another animals. And the third consumer, the tertiary consumer, it's the animals that eat the secondary consumer. So it can be like animals eat animals. And the last one, it's the quaternary consumer. It's just the last, it's just the other option. It can be like the animals who eat the third consumer or the second consumer. Okay, then just now we have discussed about the producer, the consumer, then the last is decomposer. Decomposer actually the final process of the food chain in the animals. Okay, and now like I said, actually I have prepared and let's see.
Let's take a look at this example. In this habitat, grasshopper, ladybug, and beetle can get the grass as their food. This place actually is the habitat for these animals. Habitat is a home in environment for plants and animals. Grass is the producer and the animal are the consumer. Then the bird comes and eats them. Here we can say that the bird is the predator and the animal are the prey. I have another example. Let's say this is savanna. The food chain is grass is eaten by the antelope and the antelope is eaten by the lion. As we know, savanna is the habitat for these animals. Then the grass and the trees are the producer. Then the antelope will eat the grass. Antelope is the consumer here. Then the lion comes and eats the antelope. Lion is the predator and the antelope is the prey. The last, lion die and the body will be decomposed by the decomposer. How do you think the process of food chain by looking at these two examples? Is it enough? Can you get the explanation? I really wish yes. By the way, I have the last example. Do you want to try? In the last food chain, we will go to Antarctic food chain. We can see here the habitat is Antarctic and the animals are fish, penguin, seal, and the killer whale. Antarctic is the habitat for these animals. Phytoplankton is eaten by the fish. The fish is eaten by the penguin and the seal. The penguin and the seal are eaten by the killer whale. Phytoplankton is the primary producer. Small fish is the primary consumer. Penguin and seal are the secondary consumer and the killer whale is the top predator. Or we can say the killer whale is the predator, penguin and seal are the killer whale's prey.
So, as the conclusion, we know that human and animals need food to stay alive. Human, we can get food from the plants and animals, okay? And animals, some of them, they need plants to eat, or we call them herbivore, and some of them eat other animal, or we call them carnivore, and the other animals, they eat another animal, or we call them carnivore. So actually, animals are consumer and predator, okay? They are consumer because they eat plants, okay? They eat another things to eat, to use it become their energy, and they're predator because they eat another animals. And there's also have a prey. Prey actually is the animals that eaten by the other animal, okay? Or like we discussed just now in the Arctic, okay? When we call that the killer whale is the predator, actually the penguin and the seal, actually they are the prey for the killer whale, okay? I think you understand about the food chain process in every habitat in here, like the local habitat, and then in savanna and in the Arctic. And then I want you to try to make one food chain, okay, to prove that you understand. And let's discuss it later in our meeting. Thank you. Bye.